Traditionally, handicrafts, charcoal, bite, etc. were made from hornbeam. Thermal modification changes the physical and mechanical properties. Accordingly, experimental studies of the properties of thermo-modified hornbeam wood were carried out in different modes, in comparison with untreated wood. Under the influence of high temperature, the basis density decreases by 10%, the material becomes lightweight. Long-term exposure, 20 hours, to a high temperature of 220 degrees, contributed to a decrease in the shrinkage value, by 3 times in the tangential direction, and by 1.7 times in the radial. Also, the value of moisture absorption decreased by 2 times. This indicates that the thermo-modified wood does not change its dimensions during operation in an environment with significant temperature and humidity differences. It was found that acoustic resistance increases along the fibers during thermo-modification and decreases in transverse directions. That is, wood acquires good sound insulation properties. Compressive strength along the grain increased when processed at 190 degrees. Perhaps this is due to the crystallization of cellulose molecules. Exposure to more severe conditions led to a decrease in the ultimate strength for static bending by 20 to 40%, and compression across the fibers by 60 to 80%. After determining the physical and mechanical properties of the thermo-modified hornbeam wood, it is possible to determine the scope of its use. So, for products that are mechanically loaded, thermo-modified wood should be used, which is modified at a lower temperature. High temperatures contribute to the fact that the thermo-modified hornbeam wood becomes darker and can replace exotic species.